Welcome to Baloch Scholarship Corner. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get more information regarding scholarship, internship and much more. Welcome to another information regarding jobs related Baloch Scholarship Corner. So today I am going to tell you about Federal Public Service Commission Job 2021. There are some jobs, so you must apply regarding your field. Applications are now open to apply Federal Public Service Commission Job 2021. Multiple vacancies are announced today. Let's check it out, the Federal Public Service Commission jobs detail. The organization is Federal Public Service Commission. Gender male and female eligible. Number of vacancies multi. Education required bachelor, master, matric, diploma. The deadline of these jobs are 17 May 2021. These are the some jobs are mentioned here: senior librarian, network engineering engineer, hardware engineer, system in charge, assistant director, research officer, transport officer, deputy agriculture development commissioner, medical officer, research officer, deputy food security commissioner, assistant water management engineer, research officer. What are the eligibility criteria for these jobs? Eligibility criteria: applicants from all over the country are eligible to apply. Male and female candidate also apply for these jobs. Candidate with relevant education may apply for these posts. Only shortlisted candidate will be conducted. Pakistan Telecommunication Authority vacancy. These are some other vacancy, you can check it out here also. Required document. What documents are required for these jobs? Copies of CNIC, it means NIC, National Identity Card, attested. Passport size photo 2x. Copies of matric and intermediate certificate attested. Copies of bachelor, master, MPhil, PhD degree attested. Experience certificate if required. Copy of domicile attested. Original tier challan. There is a challan for each post. You have to submit the fee and submit on the official website of Federal Public Service Commission. Required documents at the time of test: original challan fee receipt, original CNIC, downloaded copy of admission certificate. It means your certificate of that. How to apply for these jobs? Let's check it out. How to apply for these jobs? If you want the advertisement of Federal Public Service Commission challan form, click here on blue button and click here the green button to apply for these jobs. You can select your desiring job, which degree you have done. For example, senior librarian, you can click here and check it out, the eligibility. These are the eligibility of jobs mentioned here. Grade is BS 18. These are job duties, all are mentioned here. Job status temporary, likely to continue. Both male and female are eligible for these jobs. Minimum age 25, maximum age 35. Age relaxation 5 years for general relaxation and upper age limit. These are the some relaxation. The domicile is only for Punjab. This is the only for Punjab. You can check all jobs and domicile. Apply for this job. It's easy to apply. How to apply? It's the next process. Click here, apply, and submit your all required given documents. Choose fee. Select fee bank. The National Bank, you can submit your fee, and the National Bank you can also download fee challan. Click here to download fee challan here. And the applicant fee for the first BS 14, 16, 17 are 300 rupees, BS 18 750, BS 19 1200, BS 20 and above 1500. You have to submit the fee and continue this form and submit it and apply for these jobs. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any scholarship, internship and jobs.